So for us, of course, we start on a good way because we took 3 points with a very good first half. I think we had 70 or 75% maybe possession, but unfortunately in second half we made the same mistake that we made a few weeks ago. Is that we dropped too much. We dropped too much, and we allow them to use those long balls.
This match we started very badly. Team the confidence was really down, but I'm happy we picked up in the second half, and we managed to create very good chances today, but we didn't score. And they got their chance, which we gave them. We gave them a gift, but it's back again to work, and then we see how we do in the next one.